I just want to tell modern day slavery exists. Earlier, slaves used to work for the king. Now, people work for the corporation. Earlier, the rich owned the people, and now the rich own the system which makes us all want to work for them. Like this richest of riches, when they have this yacht or going out, they literally call this regular middle class man who's running a business, like get me that particular ingredient from a different country, and they have to make it happen. Isn't this modern day slavery? Only difference is you are happy doing that to a rich people because there is something called as money, which the rich has created. The system, they have created this illusion that we can attain that kind of life. They have created an illusion like a common person, like the middle class person, a middle class person like me can have that rich luxurious life where I'm gonna experience the rest of the world that has to offer me, like go to different places, eat different variety of food, live in a yacht, have a private jet. Like this is peak richness, and we are in an illusion that we can attain that. That is one out of like gazillion people. Like, can you believe that is literally one out of like gazillion people can achieve that much of richness, and everyone are working towards to become that. We all have the rights to enjoy the earth. Why are we struggling in this system where the rich has created it and we are happily following it? This is so mind-boggling for me, how the corporations is just making us think this is all democracy, like everyone has a say. Like, do you really want to have a this kind of system where you're earning for money and rich is becoming richer and poor is becoming poor? This is what corporations want, and we are thinking we have to think like them because we have to become like them, and we are okay with this system. But end of the day, it's benefiting them. They are manipulating us. I was just thinking about it, and then I felt like they are literally taking away our life, the life we could just enjoy if we did not have to work for money, or if there was no like work and job concept. Because what is this work and job? We are like part of this earth, and no other animal over here is working towards having money. Everyone are just hunting and surviving. This system that, okay, this is my land, this is this land, you fight, you take whatever you want. Here you have only created system that will saying I'm gonna protect my citizens. What what do you tell? Here there are systems like I'm gonna protect my citizens rights. Like if someone is hitting you, I'm gonna put them into jail. Like, do we really want that at this point? Like that system does not even work. We are thinking, whoa, we are in one protected system, like we have facilities, healthcare, that this, but end of the day those things does not even work 100%. We doubt them, and we are okay with doing this 9 to 5 job because we think we are in that system where everything is helping us. We pay so much tax, literally we pay so much tax, and there is no proper roads. And then too, we want this system only, and we think this is democracy and we have a right to say. End of the day, the rich are who are earning, and they don't give a fuck about people like us. I just feel so bad that we are not realizing it. Like how monarchy had to go, I feel democracy also need to go, because it is clearly not democracy right now. We are in an illusion to make a rich life, because in monarchy people did not have a chance to become that person. It was only the king's family, so it was very difficult to become that ultimate power. But in democracy now we have multiple players, multiple corporations who's running the world and just enjoying the world alone and allowing us to fucking struggle to get like one simple luxurious thing. So now, as there are multiple players, we feel like we also have a chance. We can also be one among them because you have the chance. But do you think you really have the chance? And people who are still living in the slum, people who are still having that small cobbler shop or something, do you think they have the probability of achieving to become the richest of the richest, where you're traveling to different countries You don't care about the system, you don't care about the government. Like, you rule the government because you bring in that much money. Do you really think we are in democracy? We think that we have the probability, but obviously that person can't achieve that. But we are in this illusion, okay, I have the probability of achieving. But by the time you achieve, it's like 70, 80 years. And maybe your kids, they're gonna achieve or just enjoy and lose everything. Because that's how the world is right now. But you still feel this system is the right system just because you have that aspiration to become that. But the chances of becoming that is so low. I can't believe humans have again outplayed us. Like, they created slavery and shit like that. Now they have created the system. I don't know from when we'll be out of this. Like, when will everyone realize and scrap this fucking democracy, because they're not protecting us. They're not giving us the facility also for them, like whatever we're paying for them. And they literally don't care about anyone. This AI, all this bullshit just to make them richer. How is millions of people okay with this system? Just because of that 1% probability, 0.011% probability of that happening. Okay, thank you for watching. I really want to know your opinion on this thing, the entire system. Let me know if my views are wrong, or do you think I'm overthinking about this thing? Let me know in the comment section. Bye, see you in the next video.